everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will understand customer dues in Odoo 19. It's also called receivables. Customer dues means money that customers still need to pay you. So I know this situation happens in real life also, right? So if you sell on credit and don't track this properly, you may have sales, but there is no cash. So let's see how Odoo solved this very clearly. For that, let's head over to the sales module. I want to explain one more thing, that how the customer dues happens inside the real life. So in the real business, a customer buys some product today, right? And they are actually going to pay this later, or they are going to pay a partial amount first, then they admit to pay that in later. So you need to remember who owes you money. So if this done using a notebook or a memory or your mobile phone, mistake happens, right? So Odoo tracks this automatically without extra work. So let's see a workflow, and I definitely going to show you what are the simple method how you can see the customer dues inside sales module, not in sales module, inside Odoo. Okay, so first of all, let's create a quotation and I'll show you how you can guys simply do the partial payment. So let me specify with the customer, let it be as your interiors. Once I'm done with that, I want to add the product. So let me add the product which is called desk. Okay, so he needs desk, and I'm going to put the quantity of desk which is 5. So once I'm done with that, there you can find the total amount which is 1250. Okay, I am going to remove the tax. Okay, now you can find this. Okay, so once I'm done with that, let's confirm this. And once you're confirming that, let's deliver the product. Okay, so now let's deliver the product, and here I'm validating it. After the delivery, customer, which is as your interior said to you, he needs to pay this in partially and he don't have enough money. Okay, so let's create an invoice. For that, here I'm creating a regular invoice for the partial payment. And once I'm done with that, here is the invoice. Let's confirm it. Okay, so now you can see the invoice number and line. Now let's create a payment, and here I'm going to edit the amount, which is 500 rupees. Okay, so $500 is there, and now I'm creating a payment. So there you can find this is in payment. Okay, it's post and it is in payment, and there you can finally see the payment. So now let's validate the 500. Once I'm done with it, let's move back to the invoices, and here we have the invoices. So for creating a customer dues, for seeing a customer due inside Odoo 19, you can simply know you can pay this later, but if you're going to pay this or create a payment for this particular customer, the amount is still shown as $1,250. Okay, so actually we need to pay the remaining amount, but we don't have any idea about how much that as your interiors need to pay. So for that, you need to understand how you can see the due amount inside Odoo 19. So here we are done with the payment, and here we have created an invoice. So let me copy this invoice, and we need to reconcile this amount into bank. Okay, for that, let's head over to the accounting module. We have different way to see the due amount outside Odoo 19. So the first thing is we need to reconcile it. So let me move to the bank and transaction, and I want to reconcile new. For that, I'm entering the invoice, and let's provide the partner, so which is as your interior, and the payment that have been done here. So it is actually $500. So here I'm providing it is $500. Now let's add and close. Okay, so once we are add and close, as your interiors invoice is in reconciled, and the current bank balance and everything is shown here. Okay, so now let's head over to the invoice line, or you can directly move to as your interiors, and there you can find the due amount as well. Okay, there you can find the due amount and all such things, and there we have an invoice line which is minus $500, and the remaining is $750. Okay, so now let's move to the reporting. Under the reporting, there we have partner ledger, and moving on to there, I want a specific partner which is Azure. Removing this and providing it is Azure. Okay, Azure. Now let's see. So there you can find Azure, and I'm going to extend this, and there we have our invoice lines which have been due. So let's move to the journal entry. And now you can see the particular invoice is created as partial payment because we have only done the partial payment from a customer, which is as your indeedious. And moving to down there, you can find the due amount. The taxed and the total amount is actually $1,250, and it's only paid by the customer, which is $500, and the amount to be due, or the amount that is due, is actually $750. So now you can simply understand how much amount is due by the customer through the partner ledger. And there we have one more thing, which is under the reporting you can find the due amount under the aged receivable. So you all know that what do you mean by aged receivables? Aged receivables is the receivable which means the customer due, and there you can find the overdue and the due amount, which is in a specific date as well. Under that you can find as your indeedious, and by clicking on there you can find how much amount that as your indeedious is due. So there we have a invoice line, and there we have the due amount as well, as which means $750. So inside Odoo 19 there we have different method to understand the due amount of a particular customer and how we can do that after the reconciliation. Okay, so now let's see what happens if the customer pays that later. For that, let's head over to the particular invoice. For that, I'm moving on to the sales. Okay, under the sales, not sales, I'm sorry. Let's head over to the accounting. So under the accounting, there we have general ledger. Under the general ledger, we need to, not general ledger, inside the partner ledger. I'm really sorry about that. So there we have invoiced of Azure Interiors, invoiced line of Azure Interiors. And I want to see the particular invoice. Okay. So now let's move to here and let's view the journal entry. So by viewing the journal entry, you can see the invoice line and it is partially paid. Now let's create a payment. Once we are creating a payment, now you can see the amount is showing it is remain amount, which is $750. So before reconciling any of the amount inside Odoo 19, the due amount cannot be specified inside the amount once you're creating a payment. But if you're reconcile that, and if the transaction happened inside your bank, yeah, the amount which is remaining can be shown under the amount section, and you can simply create a payment. And you don't want to remember how much payment actually has your interiors to give you, or how much is the due amount that as your interiors to give you. Okay, let's create a payment. Once the payment is created, now the invoice is fully shown as in payment, and you don't want to do anything. And under the payment tab, which is smart tab, you can finally see this, and let's create or validate this. Okay, so once you validating that, the payment is done very easily. So the payment is done. So now you can finally see all such things inside the payment. Okay, so that's how you can simply see the due amount of a customer inside Odoo 19 very easily. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye bye.